Hey guys, so when I was last working on this project, I ran into a road bump. I had no idea how to organize the settings in the account panel. I planned so many features and now I have to organize my thoughts and figure out the best way to implement and lay out all the options. So before I could start designing the front end for the account panel, I had to put some time into wrapping my head around the features I've planned as well as the best way to organize and implement them. I listed all of the systems and features that I'm going to implement that will require some configuration in the account panel. Then I tried to map out all of the required submenus and options for each feature. I want to allow users to set permissions for each account or the data that they share, so I decided that it would be best if I add each piece of data as its own row in the database table and then add a permission field as a column in that table. Once that was figured out, I just grouped the features and started laying out the buttons and previews. So, the account preferences were pretty simple. I sort of envisioned those as just buttons that, when clicked on, will render a pop-up that'll allow you to either manage the devices, maybe add a new one, and so on and so on. That was pretty easy, but then I got to the next part of the account panel, which was the third-party account integrations. I'm building this website to link to or pull data from several online services such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, as well as the video games that we play like Guild Wars 2, EVE Online, and World of Warcraft. So I started adding the buttons as small circles in the designer and I wasn't really digging that, so I tried again. This time I went with some cards. Each card will represent a social media account or a game account that you're integrating with. Personally, I think this looks a lot better. I might need to add more things to the back end and I still haven't designed the individual pop-ups that'll come up, but I think this is a good start. Next time I work on this project, I'm going to start coding the design into the website. I need to match the design aesthetically with each theme, so that should be fun. Come check me out on Twitch at twitch.tv/rgonzaleztechtips if you want to check me out live as I work on this project and others. Thanks for stopping by.